Hello, welcome to my kitchen. It's pretty small. I live in Central Hollywood, but we cleaned it up yesterday and it gets the job done. And I have my assistant chef Buster here to help today. It might look like a lot of ingredients for lazy cooking, but really all you're looking at is like 2 ingredients for this meal. This is to cook it, this is to cook it, and this is whatever seasoning you want to add. Okay, time to cook. Turn your burner on. Grab a pot, grab some olive oil. No time for spoons, just use the cap. Dump some oil in. I chopped up some onion. This is some pretty pro stuff, I know. I also can't be bothered to peel garlic anymore. So there's just these little like frozen pods that you can pop out where everything's already crushed and chopped up for you. Just give them a little stir. This I think adds like an extra freshness to the dish, but you could totally skip over all of this and go right to the next step, which is adding the frozen veggies, the Melodious blend from Trader Joe's. It's seriously so good, guys. Stock up. Grab some low sodium vegetable broth. I don't measure, just pour in enough to kind of cover all the veggies. I'm adding more curry and more turmeric here. Now I'm adding the garlic powder, and I use chili powder, but you can use any source of heat that you want. Make it as spicy as you want. And of course, a little salt, a little pep. Now stir it all up and distribute your seasonings. You could use something other than curry if you wanted. Turn it down to like a low simmer and then cover it up with the lid. Now we're gonna move on to our tofu. This tofu is pre-cooked, so this is really just to kind of crisp it up, brown it up. And since it's lazy cooking, we're probably gonna forget about it and burn it a little bit, but it's cool. It'll still taste fine. Oh, pro move. Okay, after about like 10 minutes, depending on your stove, this is what it should be looking like. It kind of looks like curry, right? Hey. Gonna combine the two. Pro tip, turn everything off. This particular day I was preparing it for meal prep, which is perfect. You can obviously eat some right off the bat. I think it's great as leftovers. Make sure it's cool before you stick it all in the fridge, and then when you reheat it later, you can serve it with some extra veggies. I particularly like roasted broccoli. Curry for lunch, curry for dinner, curry for meal prep. All super lazy. You can cook it all in less than 20 minutes. Enjoy.